What's up guys? So this is a day in the life of Alec Barbero. This one is going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to talk over what I did, and yeah, I'm not going to do too much talking. I'll let you guys just watch and let's get into it. So started studio, started doing a little bit of cleaning. I woke up pretty late this day guys, around like 3 p.m. And then after cleaning, put on my jacket, got ready to go. But before, I had to cancel all my clients because I'm coughing a little bit. But don't worry guys, I am negative. So leaving the studio now, going to my house. Every time I go to my house, I have to play with my dog for like 10-20 minutes. Very energetic. She's only 6 months, guys. And then I found out I got this package. I think Alexis wants to open it too. That's it. Got ready to go, shooting content today. And I recently got robbed in my car, so I had to get a new license plate, so that's why I needed the passport. Had to run some errands to Shoppers real quick and Tim Hortons, and now we're back at the studio. This is my breakfast, some chili and some steeped tea, and then here's a little unboxing for you guys. It's actually a barber pole. Now getting ready to shoot some content for TikTok and Instagram. It was a little dusty. I think we're going with black backdrop for this one. Set up the lighting, one key light, one backlight, soften it up a bit more. Setting up the cameras, as you can tell, the Apple Watch. This is the setup. Grab my iPad for my scripts. And then before I start, I had the cough, remember, so I'm gonna take this medicine that I don't like the taste of, as you can tell from my face. I really hated that one. Yep, did not like it at all. And some candy for the shoot. Shot for about an hour or two, and then now we're editing, watching some content on YouTube from my boy Yengub. Had to support the man. Now we're doing editing / Twitch, and a friend came by to ask for some tips, Nick. And then now we're installing the pole. Shout out to Kyle for helping out. And then now I'm doing a little bit of cleaning at the studio because I made this video reveal. That's pretty much it. After the video, I did some more editing, and then yeah, that was a regular day of Alec Barbero. That was under 4 minutes. If you guys want to see more videos like that, let me know.